Good afternoon, students. How are you? Hope all are happy and healthy. Okay. Myself, Renuka Vedya. Today we are going to start our new subject, Java. Programming in Java. This is third year subject. 80 plus 20 scheme is there. This is some contents which we'll cover in our first chapter. Java history, Java features, difference between Java and C, difference between Java and C++, Java and Internet, hardware and software requirements, as well as Java environment. Before starting that, just we start that, what is Java? Java is a high-level programming language. You all known about C, C++. In previous year, you learn about CPP now. Okay. So same as a C++, Java is a programming language, but there is some updation in CPP. Means you learn about pointer concept in C++. What is disadvantages or what is issue related that pointer? Anyone knows that? Yes. Pointer create some memory. Means if there is one hacker and that hacker wants to hack your software, then using pointer means that memory allocations, he can hack that software. To overcome this issue in Java, Java is very secure and portable language. One by one we will see that. We will see Java history first. Okay. Then who developed Java and how developed Java. Okay. Some milestones of Java is there. One by one we will see that. Java is developed by James Gosling. Actually, it is developed in 1991 under Sun Microsoft system. Now this Java is under Oracle. In 2010, it shifted Microsoft to Oracle. We will see some year-wise milestone. First in 1990, Sun Microsoft decided to develop some software. Actually, Java was developed because of some home appliances need. Means that the main purpose of Java to develop some home appliances need as well as some telecoms need also. James Gosling and his team decided to develop Java in 1990. After in 1991, using C++, the teams announces that this programming language is named as Oak. Means Oak is the previous name of Java. After that, in 1992, the Green project handled by Sun Microsoft. In 1993, some web applets and graphical environments added in that Java. Still Oak, we can't say in Java, because after that that phase means in 1996 Oak is converted as a Java. We will see. In 1995 Oak was renamed as a Java, and in 1996 the first version of Java, JDK 1.1, was published. Here are some versions of Java and years of Java, as well as some code name include here. Just see that. Okay, come to the point. Why Java is popular? Someone asked me that why we use Java. Okay, now why we use Java? Because Java is secure, Java is portable, Java is distributed, Java is highly performable, dynamic, and Java is dependent on object-oriented concept. One by one we will see what is interpreted, what is compiler, what is robust, what is secure. Okay. First we will see Java is a simple. Means Java code is a very simple code. You can, when you well known about CPP coding, as compared to CPP, Java is a very easy because Java is a framework and Java have self virtual machines, means Java virtual machine is there. Because of that framework, Java is a simple. And another part is that there is a no need to memory management. Mean automatic garbage collection is there in Java. CPP में क्या किया था आपने? You created constructor, you created destructor also. Am I right now? Here we don't need to destructor. मेमोरी रिलीज करने के लिए या ऑब्जेक्ट रिलीज करने के लिए हमें कुछ स्पेसिफिक टास्क करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है जावा में. अंडरस्टूड पायल? ओके. The next, object oriented means some pillar are there. Object oriented language have some pillars like the object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. In yesterday class we seen that, no? What is class, what is object? In simple language we can say that the collection of objects is a class. For example, there are lots of animals. We categorize that animal in one class. Okay. Then what about object? Cat or dog is a one type of animal. We can say that the class animal have object. Cat, the animal is a class and cat is a object of that class. Okay. Then what about function? We can create function eat, go, function. ऐसी कुछ रिएक्शन हो रही है ना क्लास और ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ, कुछ फंक्शन की रिएक्शन आ रहा है. वी विल सी इट लेटर. जस्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन ओनली ऑब्जेक्ट एंड क्लास. ओके. देन इनहेरिटेंस, सेम वी डिस्कस एज yesterday. Inheritance means transfer one generation to another. Language is nothing different. Same as our daily life routines. We use our just word now. Only here we use some programming code. But concept is a similar. Inheritance means transfer one form to another form. Because of reusability, we use inheritance. Okay. Polymorphism. Polymorphism means poly means many, morphism means form. Polymorphism means something is there. We can use in multiple form. For example, we have function, shape function. Okay. Using that shape function, you can draw triangle. You can draw rectangle, you can draw circle, or you can draw any shape. Okay, means only using one function you can draw, you can activate many things now. Then this is one form of polymorphism. Then abstraction. What is abstraction? Means abstraction is yesterday we discussed that. Suppose there is one fridge. Okay, what we required? हमें क्या चाहिए कि फ्रिज की फंक्शन कैसी होती है, फ्रिज ओपन कैसे करते हैं, फ्रिज क्लोज कैसे करते हैं, उसके बेसिक फंक्शन. ना कि हमें वो किट कैसे बनती है, उसके मैन्युफैक्चर का, उसका आयन कैसे पिघलाते हैं, इसकी कुछ ज़रूरत है क्या? नहीं. हमें जितना ज़रूरत है उतना ही डेटा हमको देना या उतनी ही इंफॉर्मेशन हमको देना. इट इज़ अ एब्स्ट्रैक्शन. ओके, अंडरस्टूड वैष्णवी? ओके. Then next, encapsulation. Encapsulation means wrapping of data. Same as that. कि वही फ्रिज का एग्जांपल लेते हैं कि उसी फ्रिज को वो ओपन रहा, किट वगैरह जैसे साइड के जो बॉक्स में बाइंड किया, रैप किया हुए रहते हैं ना, उसको कवर किया हुआ था, वो ओपन ही रखा. तो हमें कुछ यूज़ है उसका? हमें क्या यूज़ है उसका? हमें कुछ ज़रूरत ही नहीं उसकी. तो जो हमें ज़रूरत नहीं है उसको रैप किया जाता है. Means hiding of data. In our language, in our field, is hiding of data is known as a encapsulation. Actually, this all concept you know that in CPP. Okay. The next important function or important features of Java is a platform independence. That's why Java is a more popular. Platform independence means what? You can write one program on one machine, but you can execute it on different machine, even though on different OS also. Means when you created one code, then class file is created after compilation. Means code create होने के बाद, compile होने के बाद, वहाँ पे क्या होता है, एक उसका उसकी क्लास फाइल क्रिएट होती है और वो क्लास फाइल आप किसी भी ओएस पे या किसी भी सिस्टम पे एग्जीक्यूट कर सकते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई वी कॉल इज अ प्लेटफॉर्म independent language. Okay, this is a difference in the file. Understood? In CPP and Java. You asked me then why CPP and why Java. This is a main feature that's why we use Java. Okay.
What after compiling C++ code then on .cmc file?
See?
मॅम जेव्हा आपण C++ कोड जेव्हा कंपाइल करतो तेव्हा .cmc फाईल पण तयार होते ना.
सी अच्छा ठीक आहे. त्या CPPचा जो आहे ना तो कन्सेप्ट पाहू आपण नंतर. आता आपण प्लॅटफॉर्म इंडिपेंडन्स बद्दल बोलतोय. तर हे क्लिअर करून मग आपण ते कन्सेप्ट करून आधी आपले हे रेकॉर्डिंग चालू आहे हे कम्प्लीट करू. ओके. द नेक्स्ट इज पोर्टेबिलिटी. पोर्टेबिलिटी मीन्स व्हाट? यू कैन पोर्टेबल सेम एज मैंने अभी जो कहा आपको कि एक मशीन से दूसरे मशीन को आप इजीली मूव कर सकते हैं. That's why Java is a popular. Second, secure. Java is more secure. Why? Because no explicit pointer. Already I told you that pointer से hacker hack भी कर सकता है memory allocation से का location देके. That's why pointer का Java pointer का support ही नहीं करता है. Second, exception handling. Third, memory management. That is a garbage collector related. देन बाइट कोड वेरिफिकेशन. बाइट कोड को वेरीफाई होता है जावा वर्चुअल मशीन जो है उसका उसी के वजह से क्लास लोडर के वजह से. दैट्स वाई जावा इज अ मोर सिक्योर. रोबोस्ट. व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ रोबोस्ट? एनीवन नो दैट? रोबोस्ट जनरल मीनिंग ऑफ रोबोस्ट? या रोबोस्ट मीन स्ट्रॉन्ग. जावा इज स्ट्रॉन्ग. व्हाई वी से दैट जावा इज स्ट्रॉन्ग? वी हर्ड दैट 2 or 3 फीचर्स ना. You heard that now? 2 or 3 features. Secure, right? Portable. Then, okay. So, why? Because of memory management also, it is a robust. Main function is that Java virtual machine. Java virtual machine. And then garbage collection. Because of these 2-3 features, Java is a more robust. Performance. Java is giving high performance as compared to C and C++. And distributed. Java is more distributed because it facilitated users to create distributed application also. Then it makes able to access files by calling methods from one machine to internet also. Multi-threaded. Multi-threaded means what? Process means one big process is divided into small tasks and it increases to speed of software. Understand? एक बड़े से प्रोसेस को छोटे छोटे टास्क में डिवाइड कर देता है और साइमल्टेनियस मीन्स इकट्ठा ही या फिर साइमल्टेनियसली उसको एग्जीक्यूट कर दिया जाता है. तो वो क्या होता है कि उसकी जो स्पीड होती है वो स्पीड मेंटेन रहती है. Then portability, multi-threaded, distributed, high performance, robust, secure, portable, platform independence, object oriented, simple. These are some features of Java. Okay, in next lecture we will see difference between C, C++ and next concept. Thank you.